Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I will show you guys two new items I bought on Lidl a couple of weeks ago. And I bought actually two spools of cordage. These two spools. And we will dive into this in a minute. We will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here we have my two new spools of cordage. We begin with this one and then we move over to this one. The brand of this cordage is Parkside, and it's 50 meter on this spool, which is a decent amount of cordage in my opinion, and it will last for a while at least. It depends on how much you use. And this one is 1.7 millimeter in diameter, and the material for this is polypropylene, and this is actually braided cordage, and this cordage is called rope cord. So I got one of these for 20 crowns, which is cheap. And this one is also made by Parkside. This one is 2 millimeter in diameter and made of the same material as this one is. And this one is also braided. This one is just called cord. So this one can hold up to 20 kilo as well, which is pretty good. It's not the best, but it will do. It depends on for what you are going to use it. And you know, guys, as preppers, you can't have enough with cordage or ropes or strings of some sort. This will come in handy because you always will need it, especially in an emergency. You always need cordage because you need to tie something up, tie a tarp up, or tie something up for temporary solution, or tie something down to hold something in place. So these are cheap, but well, it's not the best material for a cordage, but it will do. You don't try to lift heavier things with this or this, but it's cordage, and it doesn't matter if it's cheap cord or more expensive, but this will be a good help, at least for an emergency. So these are going into my preps as well. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate it. And if you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget, be part of the solution, not the problem. And I will see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. Strength and honor. ShadowScoutSwede out.